Baby Keeper. Today is one of your special day. We are celebrating your first birthday with everybody who cares about you. Mommy, Daddy, Lolo, and Lola have prepared all of this just for you.
Forget, Mommy and Daddy will be here for you. So if ever you need anything, do not forget to ask first your parents. We really care about you, really care about your well-being. Don't forget that all the values you will get is not from outside or anybody else but your parents. So remember that. We love you.
Happy first birthday, Keeper.